Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Robinhood to your crypto account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by launching the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log in to your Robinhood account using your credentials. Once logged in, find and tap on the account icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you see the Settings option. Tap on Settings to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, look for Crypto Accounts or Linked Accounts. Select Linked Accounts to begin the process of connecting your crypto account. Next, tap on Add Account or Connect Account. Choose your crypto exchange from the list provided. If your exchange isn't listed, you may need to select the option for manual entry. For supported exchanges, follow the prompts to log in to your crypto account. Enter your credentials, including email and password. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication required by your crypto exchange. Once logged in, grant any necessary permissions for Robinhood to access your crypto account. Review the information to ensure everything is correct. Tap Confirm or Connect to finalize the linking process. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your accounts are now connected. You can now easily transfer funds between Robinhood and your crypto account. Return to your Robinhood home screen to verify that your account is successfully linked. If there are any issues, double-check your login information and permissions. Enjoy trading between Robinhood and your crypto platform seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.